Hi everyone, Julie here. Today we're at a house here in Garland, Texas. We're building a fence. Well, let me back that up. Tristan's building a fence. So let me turn you around and show you the fence. So this is the fence. Yay! He's almost done. Still have that one section right there. He's putting on a gate now. But it's so pretty. This yard had a lot of levels, and I'll take you around and show you. He had to put some railroad ties in. So let me show you what he did. Right now he's putting on a latch. Say hi, Tristan.
Hi.
Let me hold that.
There you go.
Take you around and show you what he did. But this house had a lot of different angles in it, and he had to put these railroad ties in. There's how many was there? 30? 34. I put all that in. That fence is tall. And then all the way around the side. There's another angle piece here and all the way down. So yeah, this is what he's been working on. See if I can crawl through here. Hey, looky there, I did it. You see, you heard that outdoors over there with Tristan. Tristan's thinking about doing a YouTube channel. So if he decides to do that, I'll let y'all know so y'all can go over there and watch some of his. His should be really good. You dirty.
Sorry, Dad. Why are those trees wet?
Huh?
Why are those trees wet?
Is it the sap?
Oh yeah, no, I don't know what kind of tree that is, but it's got like this sparkly stuff on the leaves and it's really sticky. But it looks like it's wet.
Yeah, it does look like it's wet. Anybody know what kind of tree this is? It looks wet and like sticky. See that? Do that again. Whoa. Come all in your face. Silly. like I was saying earlier, the only thing he has left is that one section over here and that little baby section right there, and then cutting the posts and putting the caps on. And this will be done, and hopefully the customer will want it stained to keep it lasting longer. But yeah, this fence had a whole lot of angles and different levels and stuff, so it took a little while, but it looks a whole lot prettier than the fence they had up. So yeah, it's always nice to get something new. I love customers that takes pride in their homes and stuff, and always does an upkeep to them and everything. And Tristan's doing great on his fences and stuff.
Yeah, that should be enough.
Huh?
This should be enough. Come on, just got this right here. I'm gonna get all the views from that angle.
Huh?
I'm gonna get all the views from that angle.
With your butt sticking in there?
Yeah.
So what does that do? That board?
So right now we're just framing out where the turn this a little bit. So these boards go in here, basically to just help strengthen up this side, because this is where the latch goes.
Oh.
And this is how I mount onto, how I put the latch on it. I wouldn't have nothing to mount to if I didn't put it right here.
I see.
And you just toenail these in. Not like that though. Oh, that's hot. Don't touch hot screws.
We learned a lesson about
What? Touching hot
that.
screws?
Hot screws.
Yeah, one went through my toe.
What?
Yeah.
No,
Huh?
didn't go through your toe.
Yeah, it did. It bit my toe.
Through to your toe.
You say it bent your toe?
Bit. The screw bit my toe. It was hot. It
I'm
went
not
through my
even-
shit.
I'm just gonna let that one go. I'm just gonna let that one go.
What happened?
Well, you have to make sure you're flush with your board, because if not, you'll rub on your gate.
Oh.
Which is what I just did. But it's okay, because I fix it.
Looky there.
Okay,
Perfect.
Okay, so when you build a, is this a gate building video? What are we doing here? What do you want me to explain?
The everyday life, I've heard that. Whatever we're building, we're filming.
Alright, well if you want to know how to build a gate, it will be easier, come out here.
It should be on Heard That Outdoors, though. This is outdoors. Outdoors you can get.
Man, it's gonna be on my YouTube channel when I make one. Alright, so when you have your runners up, and after you set your posts and you're ready to start throwing up your pickets, where you know you have your gate, you want to leave yourself about a 1/4 to 1/2 inch gap. Usually I go about a 1/2 inch on the hinge side, just to make sure that it has enough room to swing all the way open and these two boards aren't going to hit in the corners. And then on your latch side, I go a little closer so it's not as big of a gap, and I usually just cut out where I put my latch. So what you want to do, which is what I learned on the last job, is you learn as you go, was when before all this was all connected. So this was one runner that went all the way across, this was a runner, and that was a runner. So I knew my gate was going to go right here. So on this picket, basically just to make your life easier, if you're not going to pre-build the gate, which I don't, I just cut it out of the fence. You set your first picket about, can't see them, but set your first picket, like I said, about on your latch side, about a 1/4 inch spacing, and you leave yourself that gap. So like say I didn't even put this in yet, this is how my fence looked before I cut this out just now.
Right.
It looked just like this. I had a gap, that wasn't there, but had a gap right here and I had a gap over there. So that way whenever I come back, I know I have room to open on this side and I have room to swing on that side. And you run your pickets that way after you put that board, and then you run your pickets this way after you put this board, and then figure what you need in the middle.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, it just makes life easier.
So when it's closed, before you cut your gate out,
so when it's closed,
you just had
so you're
the
gonna
runners.
You're gonna run your pickets, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna run your pickets all the way across your gate, and then you're gonna come in with this fence right here. It goes from a 6 foot to 8 foot transition. So when I got to this point of the fence, I only had 3 runners. So if you had 4, you'd have to add more of these, but since I only have 3 on this gate, you're gonna do a board in between each runner. You're gonna want to put a board. That's gonna strengthen your gate from being lopsided and curving, what's it called? Sagging, yeah, from sagging. And then on your cross sections, you can do the X. It's pretty and everything, but if you're just going for structural, then you always put your anchor point. You put your slat, your supportive slat, from where your anchor point is to where your end is. So that way when this gate starts sagging, it's going to be putting pressure right here, but I'm connected over here, so it'll hold it up. If I were to put these the other way, if this gate started sagging, it would just sag with it.
Okay.
So it's pretty simple.
Okay, so now it's hardware time.
Yeah.
And then finishing the fence.
Yep. Easy peasy.
Okay, everybody, you heard that, right? Everybody, you heard that? All right, please like and subscribe, and check out our other videos. Thanks, y'all.